Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DDD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Definitely want to get this one updated today as, not to rub salt in the wounds or anything like that, but not only did the price gap down, even after the gap down, it just kept bleeding and bleeding. But now from a technical perspective, it's actually put the chart at a very interesting location. So let's just hop right into it. And that location is down here at the $12 mark. Why is 12 an interesting area? Well, if you're familiar with charts, I'm sure you know why. But if not, let's go through the history here and look back in late May. You can see found some support. Very nice bounce. Fast forward to August. Found some support. And then a huge bounce right there. And then you fast forward to today, and the price is sitting right there. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there's been some very nice bounces from 12 before, does that guarantee that another bounce is for sure coming and this thing's headed up to 17, 18 bucks? No, no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But myself nor anyone else can sit around and say that for sure a bounce is going to occur. But this is why, risk management and, honoring stop losses is so important because, from a risk versus reward perspective, this is quite the interesting setup that is now taking place. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, $12 is definitely that very important initial area of support. In the event $12 cannot hold, the next level to keep an eye on down here around, that makes it easy, the $11 mark. So 12 and then 11, two key levels of support. In the event the price does start to bounce, really the major and key level that the price is going to have to fight back above is going to be that pink line right there, which is the very famous 200-day simple moving average. And that just comes about based on a foundational rule, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So again, on any sort of bounce, $14, which is the current value of that pink line, is going to be public enemy number one. All in all, though, top priority right now, I don't think is necessarily, breaking that level of resistance. It's more so just seeing if the price can get some sideways price movement, consolidate, and then who knows, maybe create some sort of bounce from this point. So only time will tell, but yeah, very interesting technical setup. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.